Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make a homemade bread pudding. For this recipe we're going to need these ingredients. We're going to need some sugar powder, we're going to need some ground cinnamon, we're going to need some white sugar, chocolate chips, some whole eggs, heavy cream, and brioche buns or brioche rolls. As also you can use this dessert for this coming Thanksgiving holiday. I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, the first thing we're going to do for this recipe, I'm going to go ahead and cut in dice this brioche rolls. Place them in the baking tray. Here I have 2 cups of heavy cream, half a cup of sugar, 4 whole eggs, half a tablespoon of ground cinnamon, and half a tablespoon of vanilla extract. And we just mix it all in and whisk it up. After whisking all the eggs, cream, sugar, cinnamon, and vanilla, we're gonna pour the mix over the brioche bread. Then now we're gonna go ahead and kind of go in between the bread, so make sure that everything is all even, spread out nice and even. You can use fork if you want, so you don't get messy hands. This is gonna be really good. Then now we're gonna wrap it with plastic wrap. Nice. Make sure everything is nicely wrapped. We're gonna do the foil over. At this point I already have the oven preheated at 350, so we're gonna cook it for 45 minutes, and I'll see you there when it's ready. Now we're gonna melt some chocolate chips. I do have 3/4 of a cup. We're gonna melt it with 1 cup of water at low heat. Now our chocolate sauce is done. I got 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 pinch of cinnamon, then half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then we're going to add 1/4 cup of sugar. We're gonna whisk it. Oh, look at this. That went for 40 minutes. I'm gonna let it rest for at least 10 minutes to cool off, and we're gonna go ahead and plate it up. I just finished waiting to cool down for 10 minutes. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. Start in the There it is, the homemade bread pudding. So now we're gonna go ahead and start plating and see where it goes. This is one of the most exciting things when you're cooking. It's when you plate out the food. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour some, sprinkle some powdered sugar around the plate. Good amount. Now this is the fun part. Slam your spoon on the plate. Just like that on the top. We're just gonna scoop the homemade whipped cream right on top. Zest over. And the final little touches. It's going to be some mint for garnish. And there you have it, a homemade bread pudding. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you in the next video. Now this is the fun part. You gotta try this. You must try this.